Yo! Today I'm working on a Mexican American Alfa Romeo'd 2015 200C Chrysler product. This guy went to the 1999 oil change specialist people and they told him he needed rear brakes and he has leaky shocks. Well, he doesn't need rear brakes because there's still 8mm on them. So they lied about that, but his shocks are leaking. So this is a really young car and they're already puking, so I'm sure a lot of people are going to have problems with this. That's what I bought for him. That's the part number. I'm going to put these in. I'm going to do the passenger side because there's a filler neck in my way for one bolt, and I'm going to take out the inner fender. You might not need to do this job, but I think it's going to be easier on this side because of that one bolt I'm going to have to get at. I don't think you'll need to on the other side. So here I go. There's some plastic twist lock doojimahickers on here. I'm just using a big regular screwdriver to get these off. I had to kind of pull and turn at the same time to get that off. There's some 8mm here and there. They got 4 of those out. Now there's a bunch of 10mm everywhere. Enough of that noise. Looks like I got all the 10mm nuts. 7 of those. There's another one of these twist lock jobbies up here. I missed a couple of 8mm down here too. Same thing here. I'm going to kind of pull back on this fender to get this twist lock thing off. Whatever you call the thing. Plastic thing. There, I got it. Goofy thing. There's the one bolt that's kind of in my way. I can't really get at it up this way. So I had to get the fender off so I could get it that way. Looks to be a 16mm. This lower shock bolt, that looks like a 21mm. Out it goes, down through the bottom. I just clamped this shock in a vise because I don't have to worry about it because it's an old piece of junk. This is a 17mm. You don't have a vise, you got to hold on to the top and try to unscrew it. Good luck with that because you need a socket to do it, so it's kind of stupid. Now these rubber snubbers, they're kind of goofy because this hat is larger in diameter than the bump. So I got to try to pry this thing out of here without wrecking anything. I don't know. I got one of these fanfangled devices. I'll try to get it out this way. See, this is the part where you don't like me because you might not have one of these. I think you can rent them at parts stores. Harbor Freight sells these. This one I got is OTC. It's kind of expensive. I suppose if you really wanted to, you could just try beating on it like an adopted stepchild, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to try to push this thing through. I'm getting it. It's almost out. Yeah. There it is. I think this I can just force in there. Yeah, it'll come out pretty easy actually. New nut. Hopefully I can ram this thing in there without it spinning too much. We'll see. Usually when these things stick like this and I can't get at the shaft, I just run in and out. Until it works for me. I almost got it. There, I got it. You just got to keep working it up and down until it wears this lock nut out enough to actually work for you. And it's got to be tight too, because if it's not, it's going to rattle and make noise. Yeah, for whatever reason, this shaft on the new one's longer, but the shock body's shorter, but the height is the same. So they did that for whatever reason, I don't know. I'm running it. Okay, before I get this bolt tight, I'm gonna get these bolts on here. Now I can go ahead and tighten this one up. Get some hook tool action in here to get a couple of these studs lined up. These just push in now. You don't need to screw them or unscrew them. Yeah, this side, see, this shock's really leaking bad. But yeah, I just took this plastic screw out here and this 10mm, and I can pull this back enough. I can get it. Them bolts I already got out. That's all you got to do for this side, and just do the same thing to this side as you did to the other side. That's it. It's a job. Okay, bye.